Multi-store model is a structural linear representation of how memories flow and be stored. Though this model is overly simplified, we'll know how external information be stored in sensory memory. It might be forgotten, or it could be transferred to short-term memory when it catches that person's attention. From the short-term memory, it could also be forgotten if the information is too much to handle or not rehearsed. If it's rehearsed often, it will most probably go to the long-term memory. From the long-term memory, it could also be forgotten if there's a failure in retrieval, but if there's none and it's rehearsed often, it will go to short-term memory at the moment of recalling. How will this model contribute to a classroom setting? I will give you an example. For example, the topic three states of matter, solid, liquid, gas. For elementary students, most probably will give a visual or physical representation of the topic. That information will go to the sensory memory through seeing or feeling. If you gave dull examples of that topic, most probably they will lose interest throughout the discussion. If you got their attention, it will transfer to short-term memory. If you gave too much information more than that they can handle, the capacity of them holding to that information will be restricted. So, as a teacher, you have to focus on one objective. Next, to transfer that, you have to repeat the information throughout the discussion. And for longevity of that information in the long term, you have to recall it for days before another topic.